Finding the perfect washer and dryer makes laundry day easier, faster, and more efficient. With numerous options available, choosing the right one depends on capacity, features, energy efficiency, and budget. Front-load models offer high efficiency and gentle fabric care, while top-loaders provide convenience and quicker cycles. Smart technology, steam functions, and eco-friendly settings add extra value. Whether you need heavy-duty cleaning power or a budget-friendly option, selecting the best washer and dryer ensures clean clothes with less hassle. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 7 best washers and dryer and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. So let's get started. Number 7. LG WT7900HBA. Laundry traditionalists will always prefer top loaders versus front loaders. If this sounds like you, this workhorse of a washer-dryer pair from LG will be right up your alley. The LG WT7900HBA top-loading washer and the LG DLEX7900BE dryer can handle lots of laundry and lots of different laundry situations. This LG washer's cycle times are short, including the heavy-duty cycle, which performed the best in our stain removal tests and takes less than 2 hours to run. It also boasts the allergen cycle, which claims to remove pet dander and dust mites, and 7 steam cycles. When tested, the dryer got our laundry loads more than 80% dry, but the speed dry and delicate cycles are highly effective. It's also full of neat cycle options and features, including an antibacterial cycle and wrinkle care. A huge perk, the dryer door can open to the side or open downward, giving you flexibility when it comes to popping wet, heavy laundry loads into the dryer without wrenching your back. Number 6. GE GFW 850 SP and RS. The sleek and stylish GE GFU 850 SP and RS washing machine and its matching GE GFD 85 ESP and RS dryer are feature-packed and high-performing. Despite its bells and whistles, this GE washer still comes at an affordable price. Its stain removal abilities are strong across the 4 main cycles we tested, and it exhibited relatively low wear and tear on our test laundry loads. Common with many front-load washers, a smelly interior is due to bacteria buildup in the gasket. GE solves this problem with microban antibacterial materials and a through-door vent system that doubles as a dryer for small laundry loads. The matching GE dryer features a wide range of cycles and options, including power steam cycles, a sanitized cycle, and a static reduction option. The cycle times on this dryer are relatively long, quick equals an hour, and its cycles all get the laundry more than 97% dry. Number 5. Maytag MHW8630HC. To date, the Maytag MHW8630HC washing machine is the best Maytag washer to have ever been tested in our labs. It has a massive 5 cubic foot drum, a true sanitized cycle, and a high-performing heavy-duty cycle. We have not tested its companion dryer, the Maytag MED8630HC, but we feel confident it's a match for this washer. During our testing on the washer, it showed top-tier cleaning performance, especially when using its heavy cycle. It also features an internal heater that allows it to heartily sanitize your clothing at around 130 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hot enough to kill 99.9% of illness-causing bacteria, like pneumonia. Like this Maytag washer, the dryer offers smart capabilities with both Amazon and Google Home. Plus, you can employ remote control and remote monitoring through its app as you wash and dry. This dryer also boasts a massive 7.3 cubic foot dryer, which is ideal for families and others creating oversized loads. Number 4. Samsung WF53BB8700AT. The Samsung WF53BB8700AT brings the popular bespoke line of appliances to your laundry room to impressive results. Not only does this washer have faster cycles to scrub out more stains, the WF53BB8700AT distinguishes itself with a solid feature set, starting with a huge 6.1 cubic foot drum. That giant wash drum is about 33% larger than the average washers, which means you'll need to run fewer wash cycles each week. Those with larger families stand to gain the most benefit here. The WF53 BB8700AT also has a ton of other features to help sweeten the deal. From a full set of steam cycles to help sanitize your laundry and remove wrinkles, an interior LED for easier loading in dim laundry rooms, a self-cleaning mode to cut down on odors, and quiet cycles. Those with limited space will love its ability to stack up with its paired dryer, the Samsung DVE5 3BB8700T, and still be able to fit inside a laundry closet. And you can easily control the dryer via the washer's multi-control smart feature. The DVE5 4BB8700T dryer, which we have not tested, also features an AI smart dial, which learns and recommends favorite cycles, a 30-minute super speed cycle, a steam sanitize plus cycle, and smart features courtesy of the SmartThings app, which will send end-of-cycle alerts, as well as schedule, start, and stop cycles. Number 3. Electrolux ELFW 7637AT. The Electrolux ELFW 7637 AT checks all the right boxes. First and foremost, it's a great washing machine. During testing, we found that it can deal with various stains, from protein to oil. The internal water heater also adds a lot of versatility, allowing you to sanitize clothing of common diseases, like E. coli, get rid of allergens, and help keep your whites as bright as can be. Secondly, the ELFW 7637AT comes equipped with plenty of features that just make life better. For example, instead of tossing Tide Pods in the drum where soap won't get evenly distributed, this washer has a special spot for them in the detergent drawer. There are also options like extended refresh that will tumble laundry after a cycle is finished to keep it from getting musty. Finally, this Electrolux just has a great fit and finish. You can tell that the manufacturing is well done by the clean text on the control panel and the satisfying click on the dial. It has the drum capacity, cleaning performance, and features to cover all the major laundry bases. The ELF 7637AT dryer has an 8.0 cubic foot capacity and has features like Balanced Dry, which the company says works to eliminate temperature spikes and keep clothing cooler, Predictive Dry, which calculates an accurate drying time based on your load, and the LuxCare Dry system, which uses a sensor to detect humidity on items to better treat fabrics. It can also run a 15-minute fast dry load if you need those soccer uniforms dry before practice begins. Number 2. LG Wash Tower Laundry Center. Most front-loading washers and dryers are stackable. But if you're looking to stack your washer and dryer, we recommend opting for this laundry center that's a departure from the traditional laundry center. It's not basic in form and function, and features a front-loading washer and dryer with a central control panel that makes it extremely easy to reach for your favorite settings. Load capacity is improved too. The washer features 4.5 cubic feet of drum space, which is on par with many standalone washing machines. The dryer keeps up with 7.4 cubic feet of room. In both appliances, you'll have plenty of cycles and options to choose from. But you can also let AI fabric sensors do the work for you. It will automatically detect the texture and size of your load to select the right cycle. One of the more innovative design features of the LG Wash Tower is, again, the central control panel. While some laundry centers or stackable washer and dryer sets have hard-to-reach controls for the dryer, LG put the 10 unique washer cycles and 9 unique dryer ones at about the height of your average countertop. So options are easy to see and controls are simple to use. The catches with this pick is that setting up the Wi-Fi function can be challenging if you're after a machine with smart features. The dryer also lacks an air-only setting, which some people like for freshening up items and drying heat-sensitive items like pillows. That said, the machine doesn't vibrate much and the dryer has a steam setting, which also sets it apart from other picks on our list. Number 1. Samsung Bespoke WH46 DBH500 EVA3. One of the best ways to save space with a washer and dryer pair is to stack them. However, some major downsides include the units not being connected correctly and the fact that the dryer controls are now 7 feet off the ground. The Samsung Bespoke solves all these problems and more. The Bespoke is a laundry hub, meaning that the washer and dryer come pre-connected and the control panel is between the two units at a reasonable height. This laundry hub excels when it comes to the fundamentals of washing and drying. Its AI OptiWash uses a set of sensors to adjust cycle times to ensure all the stains are lifted from your clothes. The dryer section also has special sensors to help get a perfect dry, including the best time to get out your clothes to iron them. Our lab tests show that the AI OptiWash and Optimal Dry lived up to the advertisements, providing excellent stain removal results and ready for the closet clothes. While lots of washers and dryers get the job done, the Bespoke is particularly good at taking the guesswork out of doing laundry. It has a Flex Auto Dispenser which calculates and distributes the correct amount of soap based on cycle selection and amount of laundry. The SmartThings app lets you know down to the minute when your laundry is going to be done. And there's even an airflow sensor to let you know it's time to clean your dryer vents to help prevent house fires. Overall, if you're looking for a front-load washer and to save space, the Samsung Bespoke is definitely worth your attention. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.